Alrighty. You guys seem to really like this toolbox restoration, so I want to get to this one. It's really beat up, but it's really cool. I'm not sure what this is all about here, but something. But yeah, I don't know. It's a neat box. It's got some sort of lock situation here. The hinges are decent. They seem to work. Paint's peeling pretty bad down here. Oh yeah, I didn't even really look underneath that. So quite a bit of work to do there. And then the handle looks decent. Dented pretty good down here. So we might try to do something about that. It's got these weird strap things. Sorry, I'm trying to, for the first time, actually take a good before video. I usually get too excited and I just get at it. I really want you guys to see what we're working with. The bottom's not too bad. I've seen worse, like the other one that we just did. I don't know if that's our only sticker or not. There might be more. I'm also interested to see if there's anything at all under that. Here. This is a Swanko, something like that. Jamestown, New York, USA. But what I find really cool, I don't know if you're even going to be able to see it. Yeah, you can. See that? I don't even know what it says, to be honest. But that's cool. So, the inside's in really good shape. Same with the outside, really. So this should be pretty easy. But, yeah. I'll take this off and see if there's anything underneath of it. Probably just peeling paint. Yeah, just peeling paint. Oh well. Maybe let's get some alcohol underneath of that. can see some paint is coming off, but you can also see it's working. So I think once we get it polished and waxed, it'll look pretty good. Stamp on that side. That's neat. Alrighty. Well, not much to say about it, but it definitely looks better. I love the stamps. Pretty cool. But yeah, last thing. I found this for free on the side of the road. She's squeaky, but it's cool. So I want to clean this up real quick. I did a little test spot over on this side. Looks pretty good. Doesn't look bad, just kind of cloudy. Fingerprints, I guess. Dirt. And sorry, this is hard to film, but yeah, you can see the base is pretty yucky. So yeah, clean it up a little bit. See what we can do. Yeah. So yeah, that's looking a lot better. But we should oil this. That definitely sounds better. Alright, we got our chair done. We got our toolboxes done. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for 500 subscribers. Yeah, that last video did really well. And yeah, it's just nice to see it, I guess. I don't know. So thank you, and thank you for watching this one, liking, commenting, subscribing, whatever. I appreciate it all.